the 4 complete point, it has actually helped us to adjust the image correctly. You can see now what you do next is you come to this drop arrow close beside your reference and you update your referencing. By updating it, it means you have successfully georeferenced your raster image. Now this is a geo image or a geo raster image having geographical coordinate systems. Okay, so don't forget to control and save, or you come to file and save, whatsoever method is faster for you. Now what you need to understand is that supposing we hover, let me use this, I want to use something more of like a landmark. Okay, something more, something we can see. Okay, let's come to if you hover to this roof, right roof, I want you to observe the degrees here, the eastings and the northings. You see we are having 8 degrees 53 minutes for easting. We have 9 degrees 8 degrees 53 minutes and 9 east, 9 degrees 56 minutes north. Now let's go back to our Google Earth Pro and hover around this same, let me tilt and compass, reset, tilt and compass. Now when you hover here, you discover that we are having 8 degrees here at the bottom, 8 degrees 53 minutes and 9 degrees 8 degrees 53 minutes east and 9 degrees 56 minutes north. It means you have successfully and correctly georeferenced this image. Simply what it means is that you have successfully saved a raster image without special reference system or coordinate system from Google Earth Pro. You've done your setup in ArcGIS, you've added the raster image, and now you have successfully georeferenced this by assigning the right geographical coordinate system. And you can see all the setup we did. Okay, so the next is our advisors to come here, come to the free screen here, you right click, if you right click at the top, you see this resort and minimize. You shift a little bit to the bottom, you right click. So I'm going to add up some little tools options for us. Now we're going to check editor is appeared here because we're going to be using editor very soon. We're also going to be clicking things like tools. As I explained earlier, these tools you can actually do the panning. Now let me explain what this panning is. This is where you can zoom in. When I select this, I direct this, it zooms in to this proportion. You can actually zoom out again. Now you can use this to pan. Note that the mouse can do that as well. Okay, now this is full extent, just as the shortcut to right clicking and coming here, use full extent. Then you can zoom in also, just as what the mouse will do for you, you zoom out, and a whole lot of things. Okay, you can measure too. You click on measure, just as how we measured in on our, what do you call it, on our Google Earth Pro. We can also measure on our ArcGIS. You click here and you drag, discover that the road is about 56 meters wide. That's what it's giving us. So we uncheck. We can also do a lot of things there. So you can see that our screen is gradually becoming more occupied with tools. Okay, that's why I advise that we should get rid of them. Okay, so in the initial stage, so what we'll do next is to right click, we'll add up more tools bar. I would like us to click on where is this special analyst. Okay, it's here. No, let's get rid of this for now. Special analyst, no. Let's look for draw. You click on draw. What I advise, I always keep my draw here. This is what you use for texting and a lot of things when you are saving your maps. And there's one more thing, we have the layout. Good. Now I would like to bring the layout close to these tools, so that I would like to explain the clear distinctions between these. Okay, now you can see that the measure I click here is still prevalent on the screen, so I haven't gotten rid of it. So to get rid of this, you have to click on these tools, and then you click on these select arrows. Now it has deselected the measure. So once you click any tools and you want to get rid of it, you just come to your tools here, and then you right click, you click on the arrow, it drops it down. Okay, now there is a clear distinction between the layout and the tools. When we come to saving the work, I'll explain explicitly what this means. Okay, so I hope this has been able to put us on edge. Now I will really advise that we try these processes, we try to produce this, and I would like to pause here for now, and then I would like to get the feedbacks from you. You can actually do this freely on your own. You can actually do this freely on your own. You can also actually try to do this on your own. And then the next topic I'll be covering digitization. So I don't want to mix that also that it turn out to be complex. So you have just successfully seen how you could add up your image from the Google Earth that will save the setup on ArcGIS, and how you georeference. That's how you georeference raster image specifically. Now we also have a scanned raster images that you also georeference. Okay, so there are also different methods. Those scanned images come with their partial reference system. It is written on the screen like that. I'll try to look for one and show us so that we'll get familiar with it. But for this, you try it. I will catch you on the next one. Do remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and make sure you're safe. Peace.